G'day and welcome to Starting from a Point, Part 3 with Jenny Brandis. Part 3 is the Winkie pin edge with passives. Hang a pair on 2 temporary pins above the centre pinhole, cross stitch, cross, twist, cross. Put up the pin between the 2 pairs and into the topmost pinhole. Close the pin with hole stitch, cross, twist, cross and twist. Tension it. These pairs become the outside passives. Put up a pin in the next pinhole to the left. Hang 2 pairs open on this pin. Add 2 twists to the left hand pair. Pin the left hand pair aside while you work on the right. With the right hand pair, cross stitch, cross, twist and cross through the passives. The right hand pair now becomes the inner passive pair on the right. Put up a pin in the next right hand pinhole. Hang 2 pairs open on this pin. Put 2 twists in the outside pair. Pin the right hand pair aside. Using the new left pair, cross stitch through both pairs of right hand passives, which will make this pair the inner left passives. Cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross, and tension. At this point we remove the temporary pins and ease the thread down into the work. Retension. Separate the passives so you can see the next pinhole to be worked. The 2 outside pairs will become your worker pairs. Using your left worker pair, cross stitch through your 2 passive pairs. Lay them aside as we will now work the right hand side. Using your right hand workers, cross stitch through both right hand passive pairs. This will bring both worker pairs to the centre of the work. Next we will join both pairs of weavers at this pinhole. Cross, twist, cross, put up the pin, close the pin with cross, twist and cross. We will continue to work the right hand edge, so tension and lay the left weavers aside. Cross stitch through the right hand passives, cross, twist and cross, cross, twist and cross. Add 2 twists to the workers and put up the pin between the workers and the passives. Tension before working back through the passives. Tension again before adding a twist to the workers. Put up the pin. The next pair is going to be added at this pin point. Not around the pin, as that would leave a loop, but rather around the weavers. Add a twist to the new pair and place them up and out of the way. Using your weavers, cross stitch back through the passives. Tension and add 2 twists to the weavers. Put up your pin and return back through the passives. Add a twist to the worker pair, put in the pin, add the new pair around the weaver pair, not over the pin. Continue adding pairs at the inner pins down the right side. Push the pairs to the side so you can work the left edge. Using your left weaving pair, cross stitch through the left passives and add 2 twists to the weavers. Put up the pin before cloth stitching back to the inner pinhole. Add a twist to the weavers and put up the pin. Oops. Add the new pair in the same way you added the right pairs. Continue in this way until all your pairs have been added. Bring down any pairs placed aside and make sure every new pair has a twist to start. Work the rest of your pattern.